Good morning! This is gonna be a very exciting day today because I get to use Hunter's setup for work, and I'm excited because he has a double monitor and like a full keyboard and a mouse. That's all I wanted to say. So Hunter has been really into making boba at home, and it's really cool that he does that. It does take really long though. It tastes really good, especially because we can't really go out to get boba. But today he made it with green tea. The matcha is really good. I just can't get the boba. We have boba straws, so I think because it's homemade boba, it's a little too big. But yeah, I'm gonna drink this, and what do I do? I'm gonna take it easy, and then I'll probably go work out in a bit. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. It's been a bit. I took a shower after my workout, and that workout was honestly an amazing workout, and I'm so happy I did it. It was definitely difficult for me because the HIIT workout I did, it like had no breaks, and I thought HIIT was supposed to have breaks, but it didn't, and it was fine. I did the best I could to keep going, and I definitely had to take breaks on my own and modify, and that was perfectly fine because I still felt really good after it. I then completed the workout with like a bicep and back focused workout, and again that was super good. After the workout I made lunch, and it was like a tempeh burrito type of situation. It was definitely different, but I don't regret it. I'm trying to incorporate more clean foods in my diet. So yeah, I made a burrito with it, and it was super yummy. And now I'm about to go clean the apartment up. It's not looking so good right now. Hunter just switched our desks. Mine was normally in the room, and he put mine outside. That's why I'm talking to you here, and I'm normally not here. But the reason why he did that is because he is starting his internship next week, and he thought it would be beneficial if he did the work in the room so he could be secluded and focused, and I can stay outside so that way I could do whatever I needed to do. So I'm gonna put in a time lapse here about me cleaning. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. Just skip ahead. It's dinner time, and I thought it would be super fun to film. I'll be making sushi bake. It's honestly a very simple dish. It's fairly cheap, it's easy to make, and it's all done in an oven. So Hunter made some lava cakes from Trader Joe's. I hope hope you were able to find a little bit of joy when I was cleaning or maybe cooking or just talking about boba. Well, yeah, again, thank you so much. I forgot what to say.